Today I'll be teaching you about these metal compounds: mono, di, tri, and tara. Mono means 1, di means 2, and tri means 3, and tara means 4. Carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is CO2. Because there is 2 carbon, 1 carbon and 2 oxygen in these molecules. Next one, CO. Say for what? Say for carbon monoxide. Monoxide. Nitro oxide. NO. What's this? Nitrogen dioxide. This is nitrogen dioxide. Carbon tetrachloride. CCl4. Sorry. Sulfur trioxide. Sulfur dioxide. SO2. Understand? This is very easy. This you must remember. So anything with carbon dioxide is CO2, carbon monoxide is CO, carbon nitro oxide is NO, nitro dioxide is NO2, carbon tetrachloride is CCl4, sulfur trioxide is SO3, and sulfur dioxide is SO2. How do you know carbon dioxide? When carbon, you die outside. Okay? Carbon monoxide. When carbon, you mono outside. When sulfur dioxide. When you suffer, you die outside. Sulfur try outside. When sulfur, you try outside lah. Carbon tara chloride. When carbon, you tara the chloride. Nitrogen. The nitrogen dioxide.